Hi there. In this Microsoft Word video, we'll take a quick look at autocorrect. So I'm going to create a brand new Microsoft document. Open up Microsoft, new blank document. And I'm going to add my contact information. Now I'll do a little bit of formatting, and I'm just going to remove the space between the lines there. And maybe I'll make my name a little bigger. And that looks pretty good to me. So what I want to have happen is when I type in my three initials, I want this to appear. So what I do is I just select all of that text, and then I go to File, Options, Proofing, and Autocorrect. So again, File, Options, that brings us to this window, Proofing, Autocorrect. And you'll see that presently, I'm just going to make this a little taller. Oh, I can't. You see that I have the text that I have selected in my document in this little field. So it's already anticipating that I want to type in a string of characters to end up with this. So I'm just going to use capital MFL. Those are my three initials. And I'll choose Add. So it'll replace MFL with formatted text. So the fact that I removed the space between the lines is formatting. I made this a little larger. And I'll choose OK. And OK. Now if I type in, I'll just give myself a new line, and I'll type in MFL. So if I hit space, I get the whole thing. MFL. If I hit tab, I get the contact information as well. If I type in MFL and I press enter. And you're not limited to the amount of text that you'll get when you type in that code. So for example, if you have pages of boilerplate copy that you need to add to every single document, for example, if you work in a legal department or something like that, and you have to add a disclaimer, you can get your disclaimer, select it, and then type in a series of keystrokes so that you'll have that in the document. I'll just quickly show you a couple of other things about autocorrect as well. So if I choose File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options. So you'll see if you type in this, you get a copyright symbol. So we have a couple of little symbols that we can automatically get. I'll demonstrate those in a second. And also it will autocorrect, of course. So if you misspell a word, or if you swap the letters inadvertently, Word will actually give you the correct word. It anticipates that a lot of folks will make these errors. These are very common typing errors, and they'll result in the corrected text. So let me just quickly show you some of these. So if I type in bracket C bracket, get a circle C. You type in a bracket TM bracket, you get a TM. You type in a colon shift 0, you get a happy face, colon shift 9. You get the idea. So that's basically autocorrect as you type. You can use it to add huge amounts of content if you like, as well as, of course, correct any errors that you make. Thanks so much for watching.